Hello, this is the Silverback #1 fat bike, 20 inch. Let me show you the details. This is the 48V 15.6 amp-hour lithium battery. We can see the capacity here, and this is hydraulic suspension. This is Bafang 750 watts motor, Shimano 7 gears, derailleur, 4-inch fat tire, big saddle, LED light rear, Silverback battery. This is a frame aluminum alloy. Here is the handlebar. Turn on, push the button, turn on the screen. It will be the Silverback logo, and we have 9 different speeds for pedal assisted. It can max go 45 kilometers with pedal assisted or with the throttle. The throttle, we have a button to kill off the throttle as optional. And we have the hydraulic brakes, front and rear. Right side controls the rear wheel. Mainly it looks like this. And the LCD display, we have the USB to charge the phone here. Also has on the battery here. We also have another USB too. Let me show you. Like this. On the front view, (45° view), and the right side here. From Silverback.